this is Navneet and welcome to my channel Navneet Technical. Yeah, so coming to this video, like we are going to unbox the laptop which I got. Like as you already know, who watched my previous video, that is the Q&A on level. Like you already know that like I recently completed my internship and joined as a full time in the same company. Yeah, so I got this laptop, like as you can see over here. So yeah, I'm actually like, we are going to unbox it now, and like I'm pretty much excited like which laptop I got from the company. So yeah, let's unbox it and see. Okay, so let me take my scissor and like actually this is my first unboxing video. Like I did not done anything as such, so I think I'm poor at it. So but yeah, let's see. Okay, so let me tear this cover. Oh, actually there is a plaster as well. I can't understand how to open it, but yeah. Let's tear this cover. And like if you are able to see this, like this is my name, like Boda Navneet Reddy. Let me tear this cover. There you are. This is pretty much hard for me. Finally, we done it. There are a lot of plasters around it. So keep this cover aside. Put this aside. Yeah, so this is my laptop, and let me see over here like which one it is. Okay, yeah, so it is a MacBook Pro 13-inch and 8 GB and 256 GB. Like it is a space gray color. Like actually you can see like it is written over here. So yeah, let's see. Okay, no need of scissors for this actually. Yeah, if you are able to see over here, this is a MacBook Pro. If you are able to see, yeah. So let's bring this. Let me show it to you guys. Oh, actually it is upside down, right? Let me keep this like this, and yeah, let me bring it outside. Like like the color is really like it's amazing. I really love this. See, like it's like it's awesome. Like I love this. Like this green color. Like from the outside, it's looking a lot. Like I loved it. Yeah. So now let's remove this as well. Okay. Okay. Let me keep this cover inside this box. Yeah, now you can see properly, and like like I love this image. It's awesome. Now it's time to open this box. Yeah, okay, now let's bring the laptop outside. yeah, so finally, like, the laptop, MacBook Pro, 13-inch model, 8 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD. And if I keep this over here, the like got a cable. It is Type C to Type C cable, as you can see over here. And like, okay, these are some manuals and all. And yeah, stickers, normal, this is normal, so I'll just keep this inside the box. And charger, like, it's a big compared to MacBook Air actually, like, it's big. It is 67-watt charger, USB-C power adapter. Okay, yeah, so this is the charger. This is pretty big compared to MacBook Air one, so let me keep it aside as well. Now coming to our laptop, so yeah, I'll just keep this as well aside. So let me slowly bring this laptop outside. Yeah, so now let me open this. As you can see over here, Apple. So let me open this. It's already making sounds. Yeah, so this is the MacBook Pro. It is written over here, MacBook Pro. Yeah, so yeah, the difference is like, yeah, it is saying hello, hi, hello. So the difference is like, we had a touch bar over here, which we don't have for the MacBook Air. So it is saying, it is saying something but I can't understand. Okay, I think it is saying hello in different languages. Okay, but I can't understand these many languages. Yeah, so yeah, hello, so let's go forward. Yeah, here is the cursor. So let me choose the language as English. Okay, I could have chosen like English India. Let me select your country or the region. The written and spoken languages. Accessibility, not now. Select your Wi-Fi network. Yeah, okay, so yeah, this is pretty much it. And like, actually I'm recording in my phone itself, so I have to connect to the internet. So like, we'll see once after setting up all these things. And yeah, so let me connect to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just switch on the hotspot on my phone and I'll come back to this. Okay, a few moments later. Yeah, I'm back.